Manipur MLA RK Imo has called for the organization Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum (ITLF) to be declared a banned organization. The MLA stated that if allegations of the group procuring lethal drones, arms and ammunition, including bombs, to attack innocent people are true, they should be banned under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. RK Imo expressed concerns about the involvement of highly trained professionals and experts. He questioned the identity of the individuals with the ITLF IDs and those training people to attack civilians. He emphasized that under Indian law, the government can ban individuals and organizations from spreading terror. He urged Manipur police to investigate thoroughly and arrest those involved in such activities. Singh described the situation not just as an ethnic conflict, but as an act of terror and waging war against India and the people of Manipur. Earlier on September 2, RK Imo expressed deep concern about the current situation in Manipur in a letter to Home Minister Amit Shah. He stated that acts of terror by illegal armed militants and terrorists have resulted in the deaths of 2 individuals, including an innocent woman, and injuries to children and security forces. RK Imo noted that this violence occurred right after a peace rally was conducted across the state. He emphasized that this is not merely an ethnic conflict, but acts of terror by illegal armed groups against the state of Manipur. He pointed out that the conflict has been ongoing for 15 months since May last year, and despite expectations for a political dialogue to bring a peaceful solution, certain groups continue to perpetuate violence. RK highlighted that attacks have escalated to drone attacks and shelling.